almost, it's 5 what? What time is it now? It's 5:02. And they're gonna pick us up at 6 because we are going to Agua Azul and Michelha. So it's gonna be a busy day and hope it's fun. So we've been up since 5 in the morning, and by this time the kids are hungry, we're hungry, everyone's hungry. So we stopped at this restaurant on the side of the road called Selva Maya Restaurant. The food, it's okay, but the view, oh my, the view is beautiful. Now be the view. The Agua Azul waterfalls are located in the municipality of Tumbala, about 45 miles from the city of Palenque, and can be reached by car along the State Road 199 to Junction 4 Agua Azul, which is halfway between Palenque and Ocosingo. From San Cristobal de las Casas to Agua Azul is quite a long drive. It's about 98 miles down a very winding road. I highly recommend you take something for motion sickness if you tend to get car sick, because believe me, you will get car sick. It can take 4 hours or more to get there from San Cristobal de las Casas, especially if you find a roadblock in Ocosingo, which are very common, and they won't let you pass until you buy something or give them money if that's what they want. If they don't let you pass, you will have to turn around and find another way. Agua Azul is a series of waterfalls of different sizes. During the dry season, the water is bright blue, but during the summer, when it rains, the water is darker because the rain brings sediment into the river. Agua Azul is easily one of the most beautiful places you can visit. Cascada de Agua Azul, or Blue Waterfalls, is a place of incredible natural beauty with a series of small waterfalls with swimming holes that makes it quite the perfect place to swim, and all of them are interconnected with one pool leading into the next one. We recommend that you go during dry season because the water will be a beautiful view, the water will be clear, and the weather will be fine and dry to enjoy a long swim. However, in the rainy season, the flow of the water is more powerful, but the color won't be blue. It will be more like the greenish color that we found out. But still, it is a beautiful place to visit, whether you have a blue water or green water. This is it for today's video. We'll see you guys on the next one, which will be the Velo de Novia. Hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!
How was it? How was the water? Was cold?
Cold, very cold.
We should have brought sandals. And we were able to get a little kid that was our guide. Showed us where the deep stuff and the shallow and where to swim. It's cool to have somebody that actually knows where you should be swimming, because there's parts that are very deep, but it's really cool. We had a really good time.